So good day, ma'am. We are going to show you, or I am going to show you, how to stream a video from a website. First, we have a hardware. We also have another hardware, but this is for specific event to use only. So we are going to use my laptop. This is the example of hardware, a laptop that has keyboard. Dili na to hanapon ang isa ka software where we are going to stream something like video or mga Christian songs. We're going to study about the ITs. We're going to find it right inside the hardware. And the second one is the software, or the specific software that I'm going to choose is the YouTube app. Here, come near. Makita nato diri ang na ay YouTube. Yes, we're going to use a specific. Diri nato hanapon ang if we are going to stream something video, no? If gusto nato pamation, diri nato hanapon ang sa software specific is ang YouTube. See, ida kayo magpilian mga songs, or pwede ta maghanap og atong video kung may nagkita learning in IT era. We're going to use the keyboard of the laptop. So, learning in the IT era. And then dili na nato mahanap ang klase-klase nga mga example sa IT like this one.
Your all-in-one writing essential. Recycling.
See, in the specific software, makita na doon nato kung sa itong gusto maano, but there's something missing, the third one. We cannot do it. We cannot totally proceed into a software without an internet. The network or the internet. Here it is said that the network or the internet, specifically Wi-Fi, carries the video data from the server to your laptop in small packets, so it streams continuously. So without Wi-Fi, dili ta maka-stream dito sa video, and also dili ta dali og sulod because we need internet to proceed into the specific app. It says that the hardware is physical parts of computer system you can touch, example CPU, RAM, keyboard, monitor, router, or laptop. So this is the example of hardware. And the software, definition po ng software is programs and data that tell hardware what to do. Example, Chrome browser, YouTube app. Mo tong example gaina nga dito tani sulod sa YouTube app, specific website where we can stream a video. Tapos ang internet sad or ang network internet or Wi-Fi, a system that connects devices to share data and resources. It uses cables, Wi-Fi, routers, and protocols like TCP or IP to send information between devices locally and over the internet. So, the purpose of the hardware is to dili naka physical touch siya, dili nakaluon ang software, and the software also contains some streamed video nga atong pagalantawon, and also the network. If wala ang network, dili ta maka-stream og video. So maura to, ma'am. Thank you.